E don settle. They say that some communities for inside Igbo don start dey chase out Hausa Funanis boys wey dey for their land. They say these people go work for person. They go buy the person wey call them work and leave him body for inside that place. Things are happening. As that one dey happen, they say that our brothers for inside Rivers State don issue a very strong message give to the people wey dey talk say Rivers State are not part of Biafra. Say make dem no try am talk am for their mouth again. Say Rivers State is part of Biafra. No be small thing o. They say that there's some community for inside Edo State don declare that from today they are Igbos, and anybody who are addressing Igbanke people, they are not Igbos, that person is making a mistake. Wow, interesting. My people, let's go and look into this thing and find out how it take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you update. Share this video and make sure say you dey follow this page for more updates. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important to us. Okay, my people, let's jump into the matter and see how all this thing take dey happen. I'm going to show you a video of how this community inside Igbo, they tell the Fulani boys and Hausa boys say make they leave their land because of the things wey they do for inside the land. How person go come give them work? End of the day, they get buy people person wey give them work. And they say they don't tell the police about this thing wey dey happen, and police no do anything. Now these people, these vigilante, come tell them say make they leave their community. Their work na to protect their community. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue. Stay tuned. A lot of story day today.
This is our Wike vigilante chasing out the Hausa people in our community. We say we don't need them anymore because they have finished our people. We thought they are the ones helping us to do our farm work, but are no longer helping us. They take our people to the farm, they kill them, they rape the women, and they do other things. So we don't need them again in our community.
We don't want more like you again. On a people to kill our people. Then kill one of our members of our content yesterday. We don't want more like they come here again. But after they talk, all of them go follow like this, we go follow that. We go tell them one go follow the state. Yeah. After they talk now, one of they go like this. All of them about my life. Oh yeah, one of they go like
Mujo. And they this one and I see I'm wearing who chairman come and get a Sunni and Lam of the ton.
Yeah, one of my members over 6 days ago when they kidnapped. Yesterday we had the killer for bush. I'm the one who's talking to them. And this issue, I reported the Wike police station, no response. I reported the area command. No response. The recommend order the.
As you have watched that video, this na the people where I tell you say see wetin they do. Now the vigilante man now you hear talk for inside that video. My people, things are happening. Everybody make una open una eyes, especially the people from Enugu. Open your eyes. Ebonyi State, open your eyes. Imo State, open your eyes, and Anambra and other parts for inside Nigeria, because these people get mission and get waiting carry them come, and they must complete. These people know they give up for something where they find. Now I made the day for power for inside Nigeria today. However, let's jump into the another matter where they for our hand before we talk pass. My people, let's jump into Rivers State and know what they go on for inside that place. No be small matter. They say we get there and they break it. They don't bust for inside that place. Let us watch this video where you hear when this our brother address the media and made them no try to say that these particular people are not part of Biafra where they for inside Rivers State. We'll watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Biafra land.
Bitagwa, Rivers State.
Rivers State.
Bitagwa na Biafra land now. You don't know, but you know where this Biafra migrated from. Originally, you know where you're from. You know where.
Imo State.
No, don't say so. You don't know. If you don't know, ask they tell you.
Oh, yeah,
you get bite of Biafra. Bite of Biafra come from Bayelsa State. You don't hear about bite of Biafra before.
I'm hearing it for the first time.
ask now. Go back to your drawing board now.
So history.
Go back. They will tell you. Bite of Biafra. So Nigeria we derive the name. We don't derive the name from any Igbo land or Igbo speaking countries, states.
But most of people can attribute Biafra to Igbos. They are the people agitating for the separation.
Is Akwa Ibom Igbo?
No.
Cross River is there Igbo?
No.
Some part of Delta State, when do they speak Igbo? Are they Igbos?
And Edo.
And Edo? Biafra State. They are not Igbos. They are Biafra.
Delta was initially Bendel. Bendel.
Not all of them now. You say Asaba man na Bendel man.
They are Bendel now. They might be from Edo State now.
Asaba, I mean Asaba.
Yes.
You know, so we get data Igbo there. No, those people will not be. And like you say from Edo.
Yeah.
Who forget Biafra? We go pity you. We go collect some of honor. Any person, any state, any tribe where they wear like two wrapper, where they wear they tie two wrapper.
They are Biafra.
They are Biafrans.
So Yoruba today wear two wrapper.
Hey, we don't see Yoruba person wear two wrapper before. Where you don't see happen.
So is it Biafra that is now the solution to the problem?
To this, even the whole world. Make the gods give us Biafra. Immediately we get Biafra, we don't go. Everything done good.
Everything good. So, but Nigeria no good now.
Try this one that way. Like question they ask me.
Yeah.
This one a question.
Yes.
I know. You know, go see where bed they from eat. They ask questions. Say which mouth where the bed they from eat. Therefore, Nigeria don't scatter. Nigeria, you know, say don't scatter. They don't scatter Nigeria. Finish. Nigeria don't expire. I be the wahala where they did.
All right. Why Biafra?
Huh?
Why Biafra?
So what Biafra?
Why you say na Biafra?
Nigeria don't scatter. Nigeria don't die.
You don't believe so now we they follow
our leaders will rule us. Now they scatter Nigeria. I think Nigeria don't die for their hand. During the time of Obasanjo, no they like this. Those are good luck. No they like this. Calling that the everyone hand Nigeria scatter.
Nigeria don't scatter. So now
A
people
bag of rice now 70,000. The poor man will chop rice again. This Gary how much? Maggi sugar 250 naira sugar. How much they drink it again?
But the thing where I want to let you know, say last few weeks now, people they buy dollar very high. Dollar people are crying dollar 2,000, $1.9, $1.7. Now dollar is 1,200.
Is it better now?
But no, don't you think we are a problem to ourselves because the dollar has come down, but the price of commodities and services in the market is still going up.
During Obasanjo regime, they like this. The good doctor regime, they like this. Why think that come in the higher now? Those people what they rule. Huh? I don't learn about these people what they are now. Huh? See, now big eye. Now I get the Nigerian money and I go abroad get abroad. Poor there will suffer.
So what we go do to hold them accountable, sir? What you say we fit do to hold our leaders accountable?
Make the challenge and to try. Everybody go.
Make they share this content.
Why?
You follow.
Why?
You support.
Yes.
Biafra to go.
Yes.
What will you say of
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as you don't watch that video. And this now waiting this our brother, the messages where they send from inside Port Harcourt. And I will say more bring up, can show you, maybe you know what they go on for inside that area. We'll go quickly jump into the next video. More will still show you waiting our brothers where they for inside the Edo state where they call Ibanke. They tell them say they have no connection with Edo state. That is the federal government that cast them to Edo state, and it make it clearly in this particular video they are Igbos. So I'm going to show you the video, and before we come back and continue.
Ahambo Azoka Oka Etumudon. Only banker in Edo State, Orion local government. Well, unify Igbo, we all want to come together and unify Igbo. My sister is here, my brother is here, from a banker. They marginalize us and split us for different states. If you go to like in Edo State, Ekmo, they speak Igbo. Ekmo. Okay. Ndị Ekpo wasụ Igbanke. Ndị Ogada asụ Igbanke. And asụsụ who can lecha laso. Iru kwana iru leke asabawan. Yahu some ndị laso some alihu. The same language can the ndị Igbo lecha aso. Dodo ni ihe nlari one ahụzụla onye Igbo nke ọ na-esi n'ime half Igbo ka ọ, because that will be some people, their mind will not be at rest. Say, how will you call me half Igbo? Because some people will say this one is not real Igbo, this one is fake Igbo. I'm pleading this medium for everybody to please, when you see a banker man, recognize him as a full Igbo person.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't hear, and because when some people talk, some part of Biafra is in Edo State, some people will say we are Edo State, like like serious. Yes, there's some Igbos in Edo State, which is the Wike people. They speak Igbo. They don't have any ancestral relation with the Benins. With Edo State, they don't have. They just is just the manipulation of the government, what they did to them. You understand? So when people say this thing, don't be like we are in Edo State. You have heard it from them. It's from Edo State. In Wike, they are part of Edo State, but they are Biafrans. So when they talk it, do not doubt that there's a Biafras in Edo State. Yeah, my people, I beg, share this video and leave your own contribution, your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We'll quickly see you for the next update.